Hey superstars, hope you're doing awesome. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can create your branded calendar inside your CRM. When I say branded calendar, I'm talking about having your own logo, your own branding in your calendar so it's custom to your branding. So the first step is to ensure that you've already created your calendar in the settings, which means your Google account is already linked up and also your calendar itself has been created. Now the difference of the branded calendar from that of the calendar inside this setting, okay, let me show you real quick. Let's use this as an example. This one is a generic calendar, right? Yes, you can see the name, you have here the schedule, the time zone, and also the times, but it doesn't have your own link. That's the first one. This one is a generic domain and generic linked. And then also there's no logo in here and also like a header and footer. So the branded calendar will allow you to actually change your domain, use your own one, and then also change the path of that and then add some colors and also your logo. So in order to do that, you just have to create a funnel. So it's a similar thing in terms of building your site or funnel or website. So you just have to go to sites and then in funnel, just click on new funnel and then you can name that as calendar example. And once you're inside of that, you can add a new step and you can start from scratch. So I'll show you an example of something that I've already built out for a client. So typically these are the elements that you want to have on a branded calendar. So first of all, obviously you need your logo and then some words in here that make sense. So it's kind of like excited to connect with you because this is kind of like the calendar booking. And then also choose your best date and time. So the only thing that's missing here is the actual calendar. So I'm going to show you how you can add that. So remember, you've already created the generic calendar. So your goal is to actually put that inside this funnel with all of the branding that you've already created. So just click on the plus button on here and then scroll down and find the element which is calendar right in here. And once you have this element added, you can then click on that and you can select the calendar from the setting that you created. So let's use this one as an example. So as you can see, this is the same one, this is the same calendar from this generic one. But what's the difference is that this is branded. You have your logo, you have some words that you can put, the colors, and also a footer. All right. So once you're done with that, just click on save and then also make sure that the mobile version makes sense. If you need to change like the size or something, you can do so. And then also making sure that you add the SEO data. Just click on the settings here and click on SEO metadata, and then you can put a title of that funnel. You can put a description if you want, and even like the author. So let's say there you go. You can put your name and also your photo if you want. Just click on social image. Now, once you're done with that, click on save or update metadata, and then also save on the right hand corner. So what happens is if you use this one, you know, you will have your own domain and the link. So in order to do that, just click on publishing and then, sorry, go to settings and then select the domain that you want to use. Okay, it's loading for some reason, but you can choose the domain here, and then from there you will have your own link that will show up here, which is using your domain so that it doesn't show API that lead connector blah blah blah, but instead your domain and then slash clarity call, for example. All right, and it's not going to show this very generic. All right, so that's the goal. I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, let us know so we can give you clarity. If you have some specific questions or tutorial videos that you want to learn, let us know so we can create them for you. All right, Have a great weekend and talk to you soon.